Today's cleaning hack is not only effective, but it's also eco-friendly. We're going to be tackling the bad kitchen drain odour using one of these two cleaning solutions. Now we're going to first start with baking soda and vinegar. Now sprinkle a cup down the drain. Don't worry if it does not go all the way down. Now baking soda is a natural deodorizer and scrubber, and it will break down the gunk that's causing trouble. Now for the fun part. Pour 1 cup of white vinegar down the drain. Now this fizzy action helps to dislodge and dissolve any buildup in the pipes. Now let the mixture sit for 10 to 15 minutes. And in the meantime, boil a litre of hot water. Now we're going to take a litre of hot water and pour it down the drain. Now this will flush away any loose and grime, leaving your drain clean and refreshed. Now if the whiff of vinegar isn't your cup of tea, here's an alternative that's not only eco-friendly, but it's also budget-friendly too. So we're going to take a cup of soda crystals and pour them down the drain. Now don't fret if they don't all make their way down. They will work their magic regardless. Now we're going to follow it up by adding a mugful of boiling water. We're going to allow our concoction to sit and stew for a leisurely 5 minutes. Now once the time is up, pour a litre of boiling water down the drain. Now soda crystals boost a robust alkaline nature, making them superb at dissolving oils and fats that may be causing that unpleasant odour lingering in your kitchen sink. Try to make this part of your home cleaning routine by remembering to do this every 2 to 3 weeks. Now if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more cleaning tips, don't forget to subscribe.